This is a comparison of Athens and Sparta. In Sparta, life was centered around the military. Boys started training as soldiers at the ages of 6 or 7. Spartan women had much more freedom and responsibility than the Athens women. They could manage land and expected to stay strong and healthy. Sparta focused on military strength and discipline above everything else. Sparta didn't have a democracy. Instead, they had 2 kings. In Athens, life was more focused on education, arts, and public life rather than militarily focused. The boys would learn philosophy, math, and literature. The women, however, had limited rights. They would mostly stay at home to take care of the household and weren't part of the public life. They weren't allowed to participate in the democracy. Athens became a center for knowledge and creativity due to focusing on education. Athens was a democracy. Thanks for listening.